So in module 3, it is another important experiment for interfacing of this experiment name is analog to digital converter. You are already familiar whatever the information of analog signal. Analog signal, it is in the form of sine wave, whatever that information which is to be converted into the analog informations. So with the embedded system, Arduino board is there. Look, observe this board. It contains A0. We can connect it. The 10k ohm variable resistor is most important. Again, it is connected to 5 volts, and the lower pin is connected to the ground. So similarly, we can connect the 5 volts from the board and ground points to the LED display. This is 16 into 2 LCD liquid crystal display. You can use for observing the output voltage. How much voltage is the conversions output analog to digital. Through the embedded system, we can control and monitoring about these interfacing experiments. It is helpful for both theoretical as well as practical. So we are using the Arduino board. Arduino board contains so many parameters. You can connect it. By observing the board, you will realize about the pin and other connections. Just I will give you the overview about that board and how you are connecting and how to write the programs. It is our motto to convince to our students. So this is the major parameter you should know about this. Point number 1 is specified pin. It may contain the 8 channel or the 6 channel analog to digital converter. Depends on the manufacturers. They are designed different varieties of A to D converters are there. You can convert various programming language such as the microprocessor also you can use, microcontroller also you can use it, and also you can use through this ARM 7 processors embedded system, ARM7 low power control device. That embedded system also you can use it to convert analog to digital converter. So first point is specified pin 8 channels as are 6 channels and resolutions. Then you can display 10-bit A to D converter where here we are using 10-bit A to D converter. And third point, the input voltage between 0 to 5, minimum is 0 and maximum is 5 volts. And maximum measuring values, the integer values between 0 to 1023. It is most important parameter. Within that limit only we can measure these values. It may be analog or the digital. So fourth point is how we will find out the resolution between one into another. We can take the parameter, a calculation factor is maximum voltage divided by maximum integer points. Maximum voltage is 5 volts divided by 1024 is maximum integer. Then we will convert at maximum, we will get 4.9 millivolts, not more than this on the display board. This is the another measurement tool in case of voltage. And another important point is voltage across the variable resistor. As the resistance we can change is, similarly the voltage is also continuously changes. You can observe this different types of resistance. You can get the different types of voltage. You can note down all these things and that how it is converted the analog information into digital display board. And for further regarding Arduino board and LCD, that is all the details are available in the data sheets. Now we are concentrated about how to interfacing through the Arduino board to the external peripheral or interfacing about this LCD as well as Arduino board. This is most important. How to transmit the information, it may be serial or it may be parallel. That is another criteria to observe this experimental as well as theoretically is the most important parameter. This is known as analog to digital converter. So we can use these knowledge about this hardware. What are the hardware parts? What are the inputs? What are the outputs? How many lines are there? Rows, columns. If all the parameters of hardware we should know, then only we are able to write the coding. Coding maybe you can write it in C language or you may write it in any one assembly level language. That is because it processes both C compiler also you can processes, as well as assembly level language kill software you can use it and process the data. There is no restriction at all. But thing is that how to interface and what are the utilities for using embedded system, because they are introducing for large scale, small scale as well as medium scale industries. These are most important in case of Arduino embedded system software. Then we are proceeding to the code, how to write the code, and before writing the codes, these are the knowledge about the pin diagrams, input pin, output pin. All these parameters are essential. If you know the hardware parameters, then only you are able to write the software. So from analog to digital converter, this is the C code. We can write it in any language, but I am selecting this C code. Is more useful for interfacing of analog to digital converter. So it is in declaration blocks. You are already familiar in C language. Integer, you can select the input voltage P in. Plot voltage, I am considering a plot. Voltage may be 3.4. Anything else we can consider it float. Then we can the declaration for hash file, the header file. They can include liquid crystal dot h. Dot h means header file. All the informations in the header file. Similarly, you can define liquid crystal LCD. These are the pin numbers of embedded board. Those pin numbers are I am declaring here 12, 11, 5, 4, 3, 2. So it is most important for hardware description. So now we can proceeding one by one, and the logical side wide setup that informations. So LCD begin, these are the points, pin number 16 comma 2 for crystal displays. Then LCD print is in the form of voltage. I am writing it is voltage. Print is also observed like this. Then wide put the loop. So begin for this P in you can select analog or read. At beginning the status is 0, make it 0, and calculate this resolutions. I can write this formula. Voltage is equal to 5 comma 0 into P in divided by maximum resolution. I told 10 1023. This is the calculation parameters I am entering into the C code. Similarly, you can set the LCD. LCD set the LCD dot set cursor 10 comma 0. These are the pin numbers. Similarly, LCD print. What you are going to print? Print the voltage. Print. And another last is LED LCD dot print in the form of voltage, and close beginning of the loop and closing of the loop. Hardly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to 8 lines we are able to write this program. It is very simple. You can store this information, this code in the Arduino board, and you are executing the results on the LCD display. In this way we are writing the C language. By using C language, you may use an other microcontroller assembly level language also. You will get the output. In this way we can interfacing with analog to digital conversion through the interface. It is one of the experimental also most useful for semester students. It is cover both theoretical as well as practical.